All right, so we're back, and we got some things. I did some things, and sorry, I forgot to videotape them. Like I told you, I'm all about work. I don't think about videotaping, but this is an 1.25 inch tube, which fits perfectly between my threaded rods. Remember that I had them over there? Took a sideline of this and I put my oars on it. Now in the event that something catastrophic happens to my electric motor, the gas motor, we have manual power. And I think it came out good. I'm still to paint it, but it looks like it's gonna rain and I'm not gonna start painting. I'm kind of ready. I'm stoked. I kind of put a half-assed chair over there. Same thing on this side. I cut all the bolts down. That's it. I'm done with them. They looked ugly. I'm gonna cut them down, and that's it. I don't need a chair here because this is what I lean back on. Plus I gotta squirm around to deal with the motors. It's coming along. So we'll see. Guess I'll come back to you and we'll see what happens. See, I'm already ready. I got my fishing pole ready. I was debating whether to put more or not, but I think I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna take it on the lake, see how it does, what's going on, and then we'll see how we could add more stuff to it. But for now, I think it's good. Let's just finish painting it and take it out and see how she does. Still got to get some 3/8 bolts, grade 8, put down here. I forgot, I was busy today. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Alright, so here we go. One more video. It's pitch black outside. Just wanted to see how the boat looks. Pitch blackness. Plenty of light inside the boat, but that's not our main lighting source. This is, yeah, this is plenty of light right here. Well, let's put on all the lights. Okay. I didn't paint this. It's gonna be 40 degrees tonight, so there's no point of painting them. Waste of paint. This is where we are. I think we're, in terms of light, I think we'll be fine. There's no way we need more lights. There's plenty of lights. Under the boat lights, top of the boat lights, lights everywhere. Gotta finish that wiring over there. But hey, just trying out. Alright, so let's shut everything down. Alright, well, we'll see you guys later. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm recording. I don't know. Alright, let's pick it up and take it in the water. What? Oh. Pus baterii, cred. Hai, vedeți cum mai așa. Pune cu rupăci mai încolo, așa. They do. Well, he floats. Okay, we have to figure out a way how to bring it together. Maybe we should put it on that side so not block everybody. All right. Let me put it on the other side. All right, there it is. Off we go. Well, I tell you one thing, this is stable as hell. Oh, you feel safe in a boat?
Oh yeah.
No rocking, that's good. Whoa. We gotta drop the engine some more. In the water. I think we're creating a wave. This is like a no wave zone. I think we hit our maximum speed here. Băi, e solidă, nene. Păi înainte nu puteai să faci așa, că te răsturnai.
N-ai problemă.
Uite că duce, uite ce departe am ajuns. That's far away. Alright, so there you go. I don't know if you could see. I gotta get used to this GoPro. Here's my little bow wave. My wheels are kind of dragging me now, but well, we forgot to take them off, so it's all right. All right, let's get to the honey hole here on the fishing. No wake zone, idle speed. Look, I think we like a barge here. We're creating such a wave. But I tell you, look at this. We got 1, 2, 3 batteries. I already know I'm 160. I don't know how, probably he's like 210. The minnows, the cooler, a whole bunch of gear. I don't know how much weight it's here, but I tell you, I'm sitting on the edge of this and the boat is not, it's just standing still, man. I mean, this is like a really good thing. All right, well, let me figure out how to set this GoPro out and we'll go fishing. We'll see you in a little bit. Stability, I'm standing up.